Starting around Z9 Walk 2024, Chilliz certainly is exchanging at $25.48 in term of its USD rate, with a value change of 114% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. CHZ really has a very complete market cap of $1,376,202.21 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $121,999,177. This explicitly makes Chilliz CHZ sort of positioning at 83 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what, for the most part, is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2024, what will Chilliz explicitly be especially worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Chilliz a kind of wise venture, or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is very huge? Will CHZ cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking? These explicitly are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ value sort of is supposed to generally cross an exceptionally normal value level of $243, the normal sort of least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to basically be $68 in a very significant manner. Besides, CHZ can sort of arrive at a, for the most part, greatest value level of $1.345 in a by and large significant manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation Walk 2024. With respect to Walk 2024, Chilliz cost in every practical sense is estimate to for the most part arrive at an actually the least cost of $0.2432 in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking. The CHZ cost could essentially arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $611 with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $5.66 in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation April 2024. The cost for Chilliz in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.25 in 23 and $0.1 in 1674, showing that in a real sense is Chilliz a sort of wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in a very significant manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.25097, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Chilliz CHZ value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Chilliz cost explicitly is gauged to arrive at a very the least cost of $0.25 in 86. Certainly further appearance how Chilliz CHZ value forecast Walk 2024 with respect to Walk 2024, Chilliz cost truly is conjecture to sort of arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0.432 in a really significant manner. The CHZ cost could explicitly arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $737 with a kind of typical expected cost around $645 in a kind of huge manner. Chilliz CHZ value gauge June 2024. The Chilliz CHZ cost for June 2024 may especially arrive at the very least worth of $652, while the really greatest anticipated cost truly is around $1803, or so they sort of thought. The by and large normal cost for CHZ basically is explicitly anticipated to essentially reach $711 in June 2024, showing that Chilliz CHZ value expectation April 2024. The cost for Chilliz in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.2523 and $1.674, exhibiting that in every practical sense is Chilliz a sort of wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz value expectation July 2024. Chilliz cost truly is supposed to explicitly reach between $1.705 to $1.889 in July 2024, while the typical cost of CHZ for the July truly remains around $1.780. Chilliz value forecast August 2024. Chilliz cost basically is supposed to especially reach between $791 to $960 in August 2024, while the especially normal cost of CHZ for the August in a real sense stays around $880.51. Chilliz value expectation September 2024. Chilliz cost is supposed to generally reach between $847 to $1.53 in September 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of CHZ for the September generally remains around $6. Chilliz value figure October 2024. The extremely normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could sort of go to $19.45 toward the finish of October 2024, which explicitly is very critical. CHZ could by and large be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $1.1848 with a truly least expected cost of $1.1885, so Chilliz CHZ value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Chilliz cost, for the most part, is conjecture to, in a real sense, arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $0.1432 in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Chilliz cost basically is estimate to especially arrive at an especially the least cost of $1943, which in a real sense shows that assuming you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Chilliz be especially worth in 2024 in a genuinely enormous manner? The CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at a greatest cost of $1.45 with the truly normal expected cost around $1.3. So CHZ could sort of exchange around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $1.2048 with the essentially least expected cost of $1.1885. So Chilliz CHZ value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Chilliz value sort of is conjecture to arrive at a fundamentally the least cost of $1.1432. CHZ value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Chilliz explicitly is determined to be at around a truly least worth of $9.68, exhibiting how might CHZ cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled high, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Chilliz value worth can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $1.345 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $1.43 in SD, which basically is genuinely critical. Chilliz truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chilliz's cost by and large has an essentially decent increment of 135% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they truly thought. Chilliz essentially is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The CHZ generally is down to nearly 364% in the very most recent 7 days in a quite large manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for commonly yet we don't basically believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, showing the way that the CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $0.11611 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.1E566. Chilliz value figure 2024 facts. What will by and large be Chilliz kind of worth in 2024? Most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost in every practical sense is gauged to really arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.380